Oprah. It's me, Big Bird.
And me, Baby Bell.
And as a special Sesame Street birthday greeting to the McCoy septuplets, we are going to count to 7.
That's right, because there are 7, count 'em, 7 babies, all turning 1 on the very same day.
Right. Okay, let's count the babies in the order in which they were born.
Okay.
Number 1, happy birthday, Kenny Jr.
Number 2, happy birthday, Alexis.
Number 3, happy birthday, Natalie.
Number 4, happy birthday, Kelsey.
Number 5, happy birthday, Nathan.
Number 6, happy birthday, Brandon.
And last but not least, number 7, happy birthday, Joel.
Yeah, from all your friends on Sesame Street, happy birthday to you. And you.
Oh, and you.
And you.
And you.
And you.
Okay, thanks,
And you.
guys.